Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can remove a notification virus like a tabula ads or other like that things from your Xiaomi Redmi A1. So at the start, if you see something like that when you're trying to visit any site on your web browser or something like that in your notification bar, that means you have a notification software and you can try to remove it by the default settings. So open the settings, of course, then go to the apps and choose manage apps. Then look all of the apps on the list, and if you see something strange, the app that you have not installed, unwanted software, just tap on it and click uninstall. Click OK and go back to the app list. Now it's time to open your web browser site and go to the storage. Now tap on the clear all data, choose manage space, and now click clear all data again. And after that your web browser should be free from notification software. But if that way doesn't work for you, you can also try to download antivirus app. I'm always using the Avast. You can also try to download any other app that you want. Okay, so in the Avast we have to skip this window and close the ad, I think, yes. Close the second ad and tap on the continuous free. Now tap on the start scan, add a permission. You have to choose the scan type. I'm always using the deep scan, and after the scanning process, all of your your unwanted software, the viruses, should be deleted. That's it. Thanks for the watching. Leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.